watching you, looking as you move in to kill. Expect me to start running, but I am standing still, conceiving, believing that you own all you have. The fashion, the distraction, you still can't see. Here I stand, completely ignored. I watch you willing to see me scarred. The darkness uncovers all of the pain and lies, and the shining is coming from all that you denied. And now that we have at me, I still refuse to pass. Debating, the hating, you still can't see. I don't know why you feel this way, the pain you're breathing. You sneer and turn to walk away.